Welcome to Guide Guru. We hope this video helps.
You begin by preparing the essentials. Open Clash of Clans and make sure you're signed into the correct Gmail on your device. Once done, check the game settings for Supercell ID or account link options. This prevents loss. Tap the settings cog, then choose the option to connect or switch accounts. You want the path that mentions Google or Gmail. Make sure network is stable, Wi-Fi preferred, since a disconnect here interrupts the authentication handshake. Now you authenticate. Tap the Google or Gmail login button and an account chooser appears. You must select the Gmail you prepared earlier. If it's not listed, add it via device settings. After selection, read the permission prompts, then tap Allow. This completes the OAuth exchange between Google and Supercell. Once the permission flow finishes, the game should display a confirmation. If prompted, verify via two-step methods tied to your Gmail to finalize the link. Finish by confirming your village loads under the linked Gmail account and that Supercell ID shows connected. If the village doesn't appear, use the load game or switch account option in settings and pick the Gmail linked profile. If you still face issues, clear the game cache, sign out and re-add the Gmail on device, or reinstall the app. These steps often fix token problems. Key troubleshooting tip: ensure Google Play Services is up to date, because authentication failure.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.